Hi, this is revision module of Part 1 Geomorphology Lecture 2. Crickmay replaces the word peneplain that was given by Davis from the term pan plane. So it is important to remember Crickmay gave the word pan plane. Here are some of the words or terms given by different geographers. As peneplain given by William Morris Davies, Indrum by Pank, Pedeplain by Elsie King, Panplain, Crickmay, Itchplain, E.J. Wayland, and Bally Willis. Have a glance on this diagram as we have already discussed. So important terms, here we will deal only important terms. Davis cycle of erosion, peneplain. This is the last stage of Davis cycle of erosion that is known as peneplain. And in Pank cycle of erosion, the last stage is known as Indrum. Means Indrum term is given by Pank. And King's cycle of erosion, peneplain. Moving to the next topic. Active layer is associated with periglacial processes because active layers means there must be contraction and expansion. It happens only in periglacial processes by thaws and freezes in different seasons like summer and autumn. And the next topic is about paternoster lakes. It is clear from these pictures. This is a paternoster lake as they are connected with single stem and braided stems. How braided stems looks like as we have discussed and compare with our sisters and mothers hair. So the paternoster lake is related to glacial troughs. Next, about books and authors. Morphology of the Earth. The book is written by Elsie King, Principle of Geomorphology, W. D. Thornbury, Unstable Earth, J. A. Steers, The Study of Landform, R. J. Small. Here are the books and their images. Morphology of the Earth, Lester King, Principle of Geomorphology, William D. Thornbury, The Unstable Earth by J. A. Steer, The Study of Landform by R. J. Small. Next, about agents of erosion and their erosional features. Dashing wave is related to head and bay. It is clear from this image. Both the images related with dashing waves and head and bay. And the second term, blowing winds, is related to barkons. How? It is clear from these pictures. It is a image of barkon that is in crescent shape, and moving ice is related to hanging valley. We can see the hanging valley, and the real image of hanging valley is looks like this. And the last, that is running water, and its erosional feature is incised meander. This is a incised meanders. Incised means downward eroded or downward cutting by the action of water. And there are two types of incised meanders. First is entrenched meanders, that is symmetrical, and ingrown meanders, that is asymmetrical. Why entrenched meander is symmetrical? Because the water moves swiftly and has no time to cut sidewise. It only cuts downwards. So it makes meanders symmetrical. And ingrown meander asymmetrical because water moves less rapid, means slowly. So it has time to erode sidewise and downward. I mean it cuts horizontally and vertically. So ingrown meanders are asymmetrical. Now moving to the next topic, about theories of cavern formation by different scholars. Tooth cycle theory is given by Davis. Static water zone theory by Gardner. Invasion theory, Malott. Water table theory by Swinnerton. And here are some important terms: stalactite and stalagmite. Stalactite C, sailing. Stalagmite G represent ground. The icicle part of is attached with the roof of the cave or cavern is called a stalactite, and a stalagmite is the depositional features which forms by precipitation of water, that is called a stalagmite. And these are the cave rescue operation related to Thailand. And next is about continental drift theory, that is given by Wagner, and the two most important evidences are jigsaw fit and fossils in different area. Here the image is about jigsaw fit puzzle game. In the same fashion, we can attach our or jigsaw fit or continents like this. So these are evidence of continental drift theory as proposed by Wagner. And the next topic was about how many parallels with 1 degree interval between poles on a globe. So we come to the answer 179 by adding 89 plus 89 plus 1 equals to 179. How it comes? We count equator as commons to both hemisphere. In the northern hemisphere, we count of 1 degree interval up to 90 degree. We excluded 90 degree because it is a point. So here only we get 89 parallels between equator and north pole. In the same fashion, we get 89 parallels in the southern hemisphere. So we conclude our and we comes to our answer is 179. And the next topic about karst formation and their conditions. The conditions are limestone formation contains more than 80% calcium carbonate, complex pattern of joints for conducting water through subsurface drainage channel, an air containing zone between ground surface and water table, vegetation cover to supply organic acid. Have a glance on this diagram of karst topography. This is a sinking stream. This is a sinking stream, and this is a sink and sinkhole, and this is a doline. This is a limestone pavement doline, and again this is a cave, and the blue color represent water table, and again the term stalactite and stalagmite has been represented by arrow, indicated by arrow. Okay, now here we come to the last topic, theories and scholars. Parallel retreat is originally given by L.C. King, but we can also call it is given by Pank because Camp has revised the Davis cycle of erosion, that is also known as parallel retreat. And the next theory is stream competency and capacity, that is given by G.K. Gilbert, and cycle of erosion William Morris Davis, base level by J.W. Powells. That's all. Hope you enjoy the lecture. If you have any query, you can ask your query in the comment.